Every time somebody sees a Shiba Inu, they are amazed. Her eyes alone are worth over $500 million. The energy level of every single person is through the roof. All investors are engrossed in Coinbase's recent acquisition frenzy. But the Shiba Inu is at a crossroads right now, and experts are sending forth signs. Can you tell me why this is happening? What gives rise to the question of how something can be coherent? Give me a moment to explain. Your daily dose of Shiba Wealthy Coins is here. For all your Shiba-related questions, this is the place to be. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Click the like button to receive more SHIP news. The Shiba Inu has recently shown that it is still the boss. Recent reports show that its trading volume has increased significantly by 8%, which has fascinated the crypto community. The meme coin seems to have regained its former prominence, since it has been receiving a lot of attention recently. A change in momentum is shown by the sharp increase in the price of Shiba Inus over the past day. Having recovered from a lower point, the stock has now recovered to its current value, giving investors reason to rejoice. But here's where things start to get interesting. This price surge has coincided with some favorable sentiments in the cryptocurrency business. Rekindled interest is strongly indicated by the positive trend in Shiba Inu's primary indicators. One of the most significant aspects is the token's rising rate of adoption. As a result of merchants' active engagement, the trading volume has climbed by more than 8%, reaching nearly $500 million. This surge shows that Shiba Inu is once again attracting the attention of traders, and the coin is doing better than it has in a while. As long as the market stays alert and the Shiba Inu keeps gaining momentum, all of these signs point to a positive future for the breed. On top of that, this is the most interesting part. This could just be the start. Reportedly, the Shiba Inu trade volume on Coinbase has jumped by a whopping 1,700%. In any case, this meteoric rise in Coinbase volume is only one piece of a much larger story. There has been a marked uptick in interest and excitement for the Shiba Inu token, as its trading volume has recently surpassed $500 million. Much of this is predicated on the expectation of May 2025 improvements to the Shiba Inu habitat. According to the Shiba Inu community, these changes could lead to a dramatic spike in token demand down the road. The Shiba Inu community is buzzing with excitement because of this revelation, which has definitely started a topic. Shiba Inus are clearly rediscovering the fire that burned within them. Many investors and traders have recently taken notice of the token again, as shown by the rising enthusiasm for its upcoming improvements and the current uptick in trade activity. As the Shiba Inu community grows more excited and hopeful about the future, it's clear that the energy surrounding the breed is on the rise. This could be the start of something bigger though. Consequently, why is this happening? How come Shiba Inu's popularity and trade volume have skyrocketed? According to today's seemingly absurd action, Bitcoin has officially crossed the $97,000 mark. May 2025 has started off for Bitcoin in a big way, with the cryptocurrency breaking beyond the $98,000 mark, its highest point since mid-February, and financial activity picking up steam. This sudden shift in pricing acquired a lot of traction throughout the US market hours. Due to this growth, Bitcoin has been able to recoup a lot of the losses it had in the previous months, leading to a 4% increase in the last 7 days. Without a doubt, interest in Bitcoin is on the rise, and the cryptocurrency seems to be getting off to a great start this year. The tremendous excitement around Trump's upcoming inauguration has led some to speculate that the sudden surge in Bitcoin's value above $97,000 might be related. Analysts are focusing on the possible strategy shift that may occur with the upcoming regime change, which is just 2 weeks away. Some people think that the surge in Bitcoin's price is due to the tremendous amount of enthusiasm that is floating around. Other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu may also benefit from this market shift, which could explain why Bitcoin's value has been rising recently. Shiba Inu and similar coins may be able to ride the wave of renewed optimism to bigger things in the coming months, thanks to the possibility of new regulations and heightened interest from established institutions. The cryptocurrency industry is presently seeing real momentum, and the recent spike in Shiba Inu's value might be a precursor to what's to come. Nonetheless, an even stranger situation exists. The current price surge is directly responsible for the dramatic increase in Bitcoin trading activity on Coinbase. Buyer activity in the United States is surging as Bitcoin crosses the $96,000 mark. A recent price surge can be attributed to the growing trading interest on US-based exchanges, as shown by the Coinbase Premium Index. The present Bitcoin frenzy has, unsurprisingly, led to a meteoric rise in the popularity of Shiba Inus on Coinbase. The present market momentum is also being used by Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is just one of several tokens that is benefiting from the surge in Bitcoin activity, which is drawing in more observers and potential investors. Now that Bitcoin has laid the groundwork, Shiba Inu is well positioned to take advantage of this trend and see much more action in the days to come. Despite the excitement, experts are warning that the Shiba Inu is in a crucial stage of its growth and are recommending prudence. The Shiba Inu market is experiencing a sea change right now, and where it goes from here will determine its fate. Some interesting structural changes in Shiba Inu holdings are revealed upon closer inspection of the on-chain data. The token's value may soon be drastically affected by these changes. A notable pattern is the apparent transfer or merging of bigger wallets holding over 77 trillion Shiba Inu tokens into smaller addresses. With fewer purses containing tokens worth between 1 trillion and 10 trillion, it could be a sign that larger participants are reducing their exposure to Shiba Inu. But there's been a 9% increase in the number of smaller wallets, which hold tokens between 1 billion and 10 billion, indicating that regular people and smaller businesses are becoming more interested. This points to a period of change for the Shiba Inu. This shift in token distribution may impact price movement, despite the apparent enthusiasm and momentum. There may be a more stable and varied holder base if the number of smaller purses is on the rise. On the other hand, bigger players may be losing faith if the number of important holders is falling. Shiba Inus are currently at a crossroads. Whatever happens next depends on how the market reacts to these changes. Nevertheless, this is the killer. One analyst has speculated that Shiba Inu is about to see a major price spike as it forms a bullish pattern. A probable cup and handle arrangement was identified by the analyst, who is known to be strong on X, after weekly in-depth examinations of Shiba Inu's performance. This pattern is commonly seen as a bullish signal, meaning that the coin is likely to have a period of consolidation and accumulation before a substantial increase in value. Even more noteworthy is the fact that following the breakout, this analyst has set a price call for shib. It is believed to have the potential to increase to a level far higher than its current worth. Following the escape, the analyst thinks Shiba Inu might reach a much higher peak, which, given the breed's history of resistance and future predictions, could lead to even more excitement about its future. The meme token might be significantly affected if this pattern plays out as expected, so dealers will definitely be keeping a close eye on it. The resilience of the Shiba Inu is demonstrated by this. Its market presence is being continually demonstrated, even in the face of slowdowns. The Shiba Inu's power comes from more than just its price changes. It's also supported by a really passionate and committed environment and solid foundations. Such backing is crucial, and it's clear that Shiba Inu will be around for a while. The fact that Lucy, a major player in Shiba Inu culture, spoke out about X today shows that the ecosystem is looking forward to the future. She made it clear that limitless cross-chain expansion of the Shiba Inu ecosystem